Hello students, welcome back to my channel. So far we have been discussing about hydrocarbons, that is about saturated hydrocarbons, unsaturated hydrocarbons. That is, carbon forms bonds with only hydrogen. They are known as hydrocarbons. But carbon also forms bonds with other elements such as halogens, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, etc. In a hydrocarbon chain, one or more hydrogen can be replaced by these elements such that valency of carbon remains satisfied. This led to what is known as functional groups. So what are functional groups? They are groups which decides the chemical properties of organic compounds. Or they are group of atoms that give characteristic properties to the compounds that are present. And these groups contain heteroatom. Let's see what is this. Let's see one example, that is about methane. Methane, the formula is CH4. So methane is a hydrocarbon which contains only carbon and hydrogen. Replacing this hydrogen with a halogen, that is chlorine. So what happens? Instead of H there comes chlorine. The element replacing hydrogen is called the heteroatom. So they are oxygen, nitrogen, fluorine, etc. What is the name of this compound? The IUPAC name is chloromethane. And the common name for this one is methyl chloride. Now let's take the example of ethane. Ethane contains 2 carbon atoms. So I replace one of the hydrogen with another halogen atom, that is bromine. So what is the name of this one? It is bromoethane. That is the IUPAC name, it's bromoethane. And the common name is ethyl bromide. So these are the functional groups you have to study in 10th standard. There is heteroatom, here it's halogen. So the functional group will be halo, that is chloro or bromo. The formula of the functional group is also given. If the heteroatom is oxygen, so first one is alcohol, that is formula of the functional group is OH. Then aldehyde, the formula is CHO, ketone it is CO, and carboxyl acid it is COH. Let's see in detail. First one, alcohol, it is given as OH. This functional group has one oxygen atom, one hydrogen atom, and there is one valency is there that is used for bond formation. Group is available for bond formation. Let's see one example about methane. I am replacing this hydrogen with this OH. The valency of carbon is also satisfied. Compound formed is methanol. And the common name will be methyl alcohol. The IUPAC name will be methanol. So from methane it has changed to methanol. Methane's ANE is substituted by all alcohols OL. Name will be changed from methane to methanol. Next group is aldehyde. So it is given as CHO, that is C double bond O and H. So the carbon's valency is satisfied with oxygen and hydrogen. One more valency is left for bond formation. Let's take one example. The carbon's valency is satisfied with H here. Okay. So that is HCHO. So the IUPAC name here is methanal. So here at the end of the word you have to put al, that is AL. So it is methanal here. And the common name is formaldehyde. It is methanal here because here there is only one carbon, so it is named as methanal. Now if you take two carbon atoms, so one is the aldehyde group, other is CH3. CH3CHO. So here is the aldehyde group. So this IUPAC name is, two carbon atoms are there, so it is ethanal. And the common name is acetaldehyde. Condensed formula will be CH3CHO. Functional group is carboxylic acid, that is given as COOH. The group contains one carbon atom. Here the three bonds of carbon are already formed. One oxygen atom is attached to the carbon atom with a double bond, while the other single bond is with a hydroxyl group. One valency of carbon is left for bond formation. This can be written as COOH. Let's see one example. The valency of that carbon is attached to here hydrogen. So it becomes HCOOH. There is only one carbon atom is there, so it is meth. So it is written as methanoic acid. End of the word it is replaced with oic acid, OIC. Here the common name will be formic acid and the IUPAC name will be methanoic acid. Formic acid is present in ants. Let's take ethanoic acid, two carbon atoms. Written as CH3COOH. Here it is known as ethanoic acid, IUPAC name. And the common name will be, this one is present in vinegar, so it is known as acetic acid. Next functional group is ketone, that is CO. or it is written as C double bond O, with two valencies need to be satisfied. Functional groups always comes in the middle of a hydrocarbon. So let's take one example of propanol. The end is on, that is O-N-E, the end of the word. Now it is propane, right? So it's propanol. So we have to write 3 carbon atoms. Prop means 3 carbon atoms. And it's satisfied with the valencies. Let's see what is the name of this. CH3COCH3. It is known as propanol. Ketone always comes in the middle of a hydrocarbon. Let's see another example, that is butanol. But means 4 carbon atoms. So it comes in the middle, on comes, that is ketone comes in the middle of a hydrocarbon. So the others can be balanced. It is CH3CO, carbon is balanced there, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3, 4, and here also 1, 2, 3. So as you see, this is CH3CO, CH2, CH3. So that's all about functional groups. Thanks for watching.